Hi, Karen Damshin from Damshin Financial Planning, here to talk about your weekly market update. Last week was a pretty busy one for the markets. We had geopolitical tensions, we had economic data, we had trade news, all competing for your attention. So first, the big story. Israel launched preemptive strikes against Iran's nuclear facilities after their talks stalled, and Iran continued enriching weapons-grade uranium. So we initially saw the markets drop with this news as we saw oil prices spike. But we recovered pretty quickly, which suggests that the overall market is more or less viewing this as a fairly contained situation rather than the start of something maybe larger. So on the economic front, inflation data came in better than expected. Inflation was just at 2.4% in May, which keeps that door open for some potential rate cuts from the Fed later this year. President Trump also announced progress on trade talks with China, with both sides apparently addressing key concerns. The details are still a little sketchy, but it's definitely a positive development. And despite all the volatility over the last several months, the S&P 500 remains just below its all-time highs. That is remarkable resilience in the face of significant uncertainty. So we'll keep monitoring developments and their potential impact on your investments, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.